Right, good afternoon everybody. It's going to be another backtesting session on euro dollar. Just continuing from where we left last time. So euro USD. Let's just flatline this a little bit. Just keep scrolling. I think the stuff should still be on here. I'll touch this chart. Come on. So yeah, there. So we replay it back to here, which is sort of middle of Asia. Yeah, this is where we were at last time. Got that one there. Let's get rid of that. So yeah, we're just continuing on from where we left off. So let's have a look. Let's go to the 1 hour. So 1 hour time frame. One hour time frame. We've taken out this low. Taking out this low right here. We do still have a build up of liquidity right here. So we'll build up of liquidity right here. We have taken, we've taken all of this, so we've induced this low right here. So if we've induced this low, this will probably not hold. So where do I expect price to come down to? I like these lows. Yeah, I do like these lows. I don't know how far it's going to come, but I like this as a target, these lows. And we're respecting these ranges here. Strong high, strong highs here, strong highs, and then push down strong highs. So we are starting to respect those. We've just taken out this build up, so I would expect some sort of pullback to take out some opposing liquidity. So let's go to the 15. This looks like a smart money trap to me, right there. Just because it didn't do anything, and it was the one that took out the liquidity to the left. So this looks like a smart money trap. Here we have this. Let's go to the 5. Now this is a bit crucial, to be honest. We have this build up of liquidity right here. We have this build up, but to be honest with you, I don't like trying to go long from here expecting this to hold, because we could just be inside of, yes, I believe this is a smart money trap, but we could just be inside of this range, and then we built up all this liquidity. I mean, this is a low as well, so we built up all this liquidity. We've taken out this. We could get a drop and then a push higher. So I'm going to see what it gives me down once it takes out, if it takes out these lows, and yeah, see how it looks at the time. But right now I'm not interested in just going long from here, because this could be a smart money trap as well. So let's see what happens. Asia might do the job anyway, so we'll wait till Asia finishes. We haven't taken this low. Hopefully Asia takes it. We've got equal lows there now. Equal lows. Equal lows. Do expect this to get hit, but then I also don't trust these lows. So because now we've got equal lows. So it would, if we're going to go bullish, I expect us to induce lower to come higher. So let's see what it does. This is mitigation right here. This is a break right there. Interesting. Let's see. Okay. Just wait. Okay. We'll go short right here. Short right here. Close this candle. Stops right there. This is a run of liquidity. Targeting these lows down here. This should be a strong, because right now I'm targeting these lows because I expect this to get taken before we go higher. So this is a run of liquidity, a break of structure. So I'm thinking this could be a strong high. Right now, obviously become weak in the future, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, wick me out. Yeah. Okay, I was completely wrong on that. That's fine. Took a loss on that one. We're coming for these lows. That's the. I'm a bit lost, to be honest. Equal lows. Strong low. Liquidity. Okay, let's go long then. I know what's going to happen. I'm going to go long right here because this was liquidity. This is a trap low. Feeding into this imbalance fill, which is a strong low because we ran this and we tried the shorts. They didn't quite play out. So I do expect this low to maybe hold if we're bullish. Maybe I just get whipsawed about a little bit, but yeah, something like that. Let's see. Will I be break even? I shouldn't really, because this is unmitigated, so we could, now that we've taken out this build up here, we could get the pullback. So, and this is unmitigated, so price could come in here if we're going to continue bullish. So I won't go break even, to be honest. Yeah, now we've got liquidity. We just swept it maybe? Not quite. Come on. Okay, there we go. Now we had the build up. So you see what price did. It built this liquidity right here, these equal lows. Swept it into this imbalance. So built the liquidity right above this imbalance, and then took it and then drove higher. So yeah, a little bit early. This was the better entry. This would have been a better entry, but hey ho, I got in on this one. This is still a strong low which held, and this was a strong low. This was a weak high. This was the liquidity. So yeah, this second one made sense, but yeah, so now we inside of this trap, we've pushed in, we've rejected, so we've had some strong candles in and then some strong candles out. So let's just wait and see what price does here. Let's move that out of the way. So this is a smart money trap. I think it's a smart money trap, and it's going to get taken because we've taken up this higher time frame liquidity. So I mean, this is getting a nice reaction, but sometimes the smart money traps do, and then they get swept. So I am just gonna wait and see, because there's nothing for me right now. This looks perfect to go short from, but like I say, we've got these equal highs up here now, so I don't think I would be trying to go short there. Could try and go long. Wish I could go to the 1. I don't think I can. What date is this? 11th of July. No, can't. So this ran liquidity, failed to break this low, failed to break this high. Let's wait. What time is this? 6 o'clock. It's not really for us. Yeah, now this is better. This is better. But it's like I said, it's not really for us. It's coming into Asia. But I do think we could go long now. Check out again. Got this build up right here. This lovely build up of liquidity. See what happens after Asia. Oh, to Asia. Oh, okay, that must have been Friday. Yeah, so Asia gap down. Sorry, yeah. London Open, not London Open, Market Open gap down. Took out all of these lows. Took out all of these lows. Still have liquidity up here. Took out all of these lows. It's going to be tricky now, but let's keep going. Took out this low right here. Yeah, I want to go long, really long. Take out this build up. Yeah, I can't do anything now. I just have to wait till Asia finishes. Taking out these highs. Let's build up now. Let's wait. Doesn't look clean. I'll be guessing a little bit where price is going to go. So now we've taken out these lows at 720, 720. Okay, now I have a break of structure. Let's see. don't like any of it, to be honest. Taking out this build up. Taking out this liquidity here, drop down, take an internal of this, we ran this to high, we drop lower, could start to get a drive down. Let's wait and see what price does. Okay, now I'm interested. Okay, we mitigated this, short right here, stops above here, targeting these lows. This would have been liquidity. Yeah, if it comes up I might take it again, but okay. Now we take it again, right here. Stops right there. Right there. So we took a loss here. Okay, let's hope we're bearish then. Let's see. So I'm in this. Again, I entered on the liquidity. You know, you see how it came back up and then dropped. I entered where the liquidity was, so but that's fine. I'm still in it. But bloody Asia. Right, let's have a look what's happening here, because I'm a little bit. So we have this Asia. We have this 15-minute imbalance right here. This 15-minute imbalance. I'm still in this, which would be really annoying because it's pulling right back. 15-minute imbalance. I'm bearish targeting the lows because overall I'm targeting this higher time frame liquidity over here, down here. But we have taken out these lows here, so I could expect price to come and take out this liquidity here. But I'm in this. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, could get in short again from here. We broke this. Let's go short right here. Stops above here. Targeting the lows again. Might be a bit too early to have this imbalance, but actually, where's the liquidity? We have all this liquidity down here. This build up. Just taking out all of this. We've mitigated this 15-minute. This could be a trap, but I'll take the risk on it. Targeting these lows. So let's have a look. Okay, so I'm in this now. Let's see. Very good. Okay, this is imbalance. This could be liquidity. Let's see. See if we take the high. Okay, let's risk it one more time. We risk it one more time here. Stops above this high here. 8.2. Targeting these lows. Let's risk it because this is. Let's go stops above here because we're hoping this is the rejection now. So for better risk to reward, we try and target that. Hopefully it doesn't come back up. Broke this low, tapped into this strong high right here. Yeah, that could have been a better entry, but yeah, we're in it now. This is imbalance. It's imbalance. Ooh, that would have been scary, but yeah, we're still in this. Okay, so this would have been a win. So right now we're on, that was the other day, wasn't it? So now we're on 1 loss, 2 loss, and what's this one? Oh yeah, we're still in that, weren't we? Yeah, so yeah, 3 losses, sorry, 2 losses, 2 wins. I think I might have took another loss somewhere. Maybe, okay, we'll say 3 losses, 2 wins. So now we've taken out that low. Let's see what time it is. 2:40. Okay, we're just gonna have to. I think the day's kind of done. Pushing pretty bearish. Hold on. Pushing pretty bearish. Gonna have to look at the 1 hour. Taking out. We haven't taken out this liquidity yet. See how we're respecting these strong highs on the higher time frames. Let's just go a bit forward a bit more. So Asia, we've just finished. Asia would have just finished. We've built a lot of liquidity right here. Got a lot of liquidity right here. Could say this right there. So I like shorts. I like the shorts. We've taken out this high right here. We've taken out this inducement right here. Right here. What time is it? 8:56. To yeah, get a mitigation of this and possibly take it. Could be liquidity being built. Let's see. Okay, now I'd be in on the imbalance fill right there. Stops would have to be above the high, targeting this low down here. Targeting this low down here, but obviously break even after this or partials. So let's keep going. Don't you dare break that high. Okay, now we're looking good. Okay, if we get... Now, I'm not saying I would take the same trade in the same area, but if we get mitigation of this after taking out this build up, I'd be interested in shorts again. Yeah, this is probably why it's best not just to stay on one time frame, because look, I'm looking for this to get mitigated, but I bet if you go to the 15, that this is just take out this liquidity into this POI. So this is the whole POI. So this was the imbalance right here. So that's why I missed that one. But I mean, maybe I haven't missed it. Maybe it'll come back. But let's just see. Let's just see. Okay, now we've taken out this liquidity. So we would be break even. I wouldn't be holding. This is just, you know, I'm hoping that it's gonna keep going without pulling back too far. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so target would have been hit on this one, and we could have, you know, like in hindsight, we could have held these trades down to this right here, but you know that wasn't the plan at the time. So, but yeah, that could have been held down to there. This one could have been held down to there. So yeah, now we've taken out all this liquidity, we've taken out this build up on the higher time frame. Let's see where we're at. So I don't expect price just to fly straight back up, but let's see. Okay, what time is this? 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Had this build up of liquidity. All these sellers in the market, breakout traders, break and retest traders, more breakout traders, break and retest, breakout traders, more break and retest traders, all stops above here, trailing their stops. It only makes sense to come and take this. So I expect it to get taken, but the price is moving a bit fast, so we'll see. Gone. So all of these trades, if I held them past this higher time frame liquidity right here, would have been wiped out. But it just goes to show how important your targets are. You know, this was liquidity, so this is obviously where price wanted to come to take out this liquidity. Whether we continue lower after taking out some of this, you know, possibly, because look, we have taken out all this liquidity here. We have taken out all this trendline liquidity, and now we've sort of started to drop down again. So we could get a drop down. We could continue going bearish. So right now my bias is not clear. But one sec. Let me get rid of all these little right. So we've taken out that. We're unsure where price is going right now. Now we've seen it drop, so I'm not going to try and catch the drop because that would be cheating. So we know that it drops and comes down here somewhere, so I'm going to leave that. But I'm sure there were sellers in here trying to catch this pullback, and they probably caught some nice trades. But what's the time? 6:30. Okay, let's leave that and go to the next day. Okay, so let's see where we're at. So we've taken out the high time frame liquidity. We have taken out this liquidity to the left as well. This all got induced. This high got induced. So this was it was a trap, but it's obviously it doesn't matter now. It was actually probably a POI because it respected this and went to take this low. So I was probably wrong on that smart money trap. Yeah, where price is going to go now, I'm not too sure, to be honest, so I just have to wait and see. But let's ask myself, where's the liquidity? Right, so we have this liquidity right here. Oh, wrong one. We have this liquidity right here, which hasn't been swept. If we're going to continue higher, I'd expect this to get taken. We have this build up of liquidity right here. This build up, you know, sellers in the market, sellers in the market. So let's see what price does. Let's see a bit of volume. we just respected this strong high right here, so I'm guessing this low is going to get taken now. Which it did, and then we got this drop down. Okay, so we've taken out this Asia low, we've taken out this liquidity right here. Strong candles coming in to fill this imbalance. Let's see. Do we take this low again? Now this is a signal, but it could be trapping early buyers, so I want to be a bit careful here. Took this liquidity. No, I don't want to get caught in this. I don't trust this. I believe this is just trapping early buyers. Okay, now we've taken out any early buyers in the market. It's 1 o'clock. Okay, liking this now. We took out the lows. What's the time? 1:26. Now I'm going to be a little bit aggressive here, I think, and just say no. I'm going to wait because it's not what I would do in the real live market, to be honest. I need to go to 1 hour. I'm going to see the move though, aren't I? Taking out this low, this build up here, this build up. I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this long right here. Stops below there. Target in. Probably break even here, but target these highs. Yeah, let's do it. We just ran this liquidity, so this could become a strong low. So now we're looking good. Hopefully we get a drive up. What time is this? Okay, we're looking at 5:30. It's a bit late now. Probably going to lose this through Asia. Okay, let's play it. Let's keep going. Hopefully Asia doesn't do me dirty. Okay, so we're looking good. Obviously break even up here. Aggressive entry, but I saw the momentum after we took out all these early buyers, including this low right here. I saw the momentum coming in, so I thought we'll take the risk, expecting this to just push. Didn't quite push as strong as I wanted, but we have built liquidity right here now. So if we're going to go bullish, where's my strong? What do I expect to hold? So we do have this down here. This ran, let's mark this up a bit better. This ran liquidity. This was in balance fill right here. Price came in, never took this low. Pushed up strong. We have this channel build up right here. So I expect it to get induced before we go higher. So let's see what we can do. we drive lower. Okay, yes, we took out this build up into nowhere really, so I don't trust it. Okay, so now we have this strong low, run of liquidity, this strong low, this trap low. Let's see what price does. Just respecting these strong lows. I haven't got the confidence to take them. Like this one, you know, I haven't got the confidence to take this. This should be something that I take right here, because this ran liquidity and then broke structure. But I also see this as a build up, so I'm a little bit hesitant to take this long. But what's the time? 2:30. Where's the target? Oh, we've taken this, so I'll break even on this. Do I expect this to hold? We've taken out this liquidity, so no, I don't expect this to hold. I expect us to come down and take some of this opposing liquidity now. So let's not take that. It would have worked, but yeah, ultimately it would have got taken. So I don't trust it because we've taken out higher time frame liquidity. So I want to see. So now we've had a break. So now we've had a break. This could be a trap high into this imbalance right here. If we get a mitigation of this imbalance, if the risk reward's there, stops there, targeting. It's a bit risky. I don't know if it'll get taken. Targeting this, we'll take the risk on this. Yeah, let's take the risk on this, see if it gets up there. Miss me. I don't think I'll be interested in that now. I bet this was a 15-minute as well. Yeah, that 15-minute drop, mitigation, that's what it was. And I was trying to refine it too much on the 5-minute. But now we see the liquidity right here. This high is not going to hold. It's a smart money trap. This was the high that induced the lows, so I don't expect this to hold. Possibly this, and let's see if we can catch some shorts to come and take out this. See what it gives us first. So we took out the highs. Bearish engulfing, possibly, but it's very risky. Very risky. No, it's not for me, that one. It's not how I want to trade, to be honest. Yeah. Okay, break. One more. Okay, I'm in this. Right here. Stops there. Had this break, took out this build up. Okay, yeah, I'm in this, targeting these lows down here. Targeting these lows. build up, imbalance. I got it wrong again, but this is imbalance, strong candles away. Let's see. Okay, I'm in this from right here, stops above here, targeting the same lows. So I made the mistake on the first one, because this was obviously just a build up, and I got caught in the build up, filling this imbalance. There's a strong move away. So yeah, I like this now. I'm not quite giving up on the shorts yet, so let's see. But this will be the last time I try to take these shorts. Okay, that was the last time. Ah, look at this. This is where it gets tricky, right? You still think it's short. But like I say, it's the last time. So, unless it gives me something clear. Okay, getting a little bit all over the place now. So I took 2 losses there. Back to back. But with the rules, you know, of knowing when you've probably got the bias wrong, yeah, saved me a 3rd loss. So live to fight another day on that one. Let's start wrapping this up now a little bit, I think. So we'll just get through today. Okay, now we've taken out the high. So we took all these buyers that are in, we took them out. Oh, we still haven't taken them out. We've got equal lows. Back, let's go to the 15. Yeah, because this was a strong low, see, and I didn't see it at the time. I was looking at this, all this as liquidity to get swept, but really, in reality, we're bullish, and we just ran this liquidity and broke structure. So this was a strong low, and this was a trap, which got taken, and then we pushed. So yeah, a bit of a mistake there. Maybe got a little bit confused, but a little bit of a mistake trying to look for the shorts. But yeah, either way, let's see what price does. We're coming into Asia now. Oh, actually, we're still in this long trade, aren't we? Still in this trade right here. Let's see if this will hit. Expecting to take out those highs. Okay, so that would have hit. And where are we? 22nd. Oh, we're not far away from current price then, so yeah, we kind of know what it does now. So yeah, it creates these. Okay, so now taking out all this inducement right here, all this liquidity. We've dropped, we've broken structure. So where does that leave us for next week? You know, we had this drop, this big drop. Took out all these lows. Took out all these lows down here. All this liquidity got swept. Let's just play it through to current price. Boom. Shakalaka. It was on the 27th. Oh, that must have been July. Yeah, anyway, we've missed all that now. But yeah, so good target, this one here. Otherwise I would have got rinsed there. So let's have a look how well we've done. So where did we start? We started on that was done. We started here, didn't we? Let's go to the 15. We started here, so we took a loss, so -1, +4, so +3, -1, +2, plus, yeah, so that's 10. So +2, +12, that was a loss, so 11 plus 6, that's 17, plus 7, so that's 24, plus this win here, which is 9, so it's 33, minus these 2 losses here, so 31 are. So it just goes to show, you know, it just goes to show that it doesn't matter about getting it wrong. You know, you can't always be right in the market. You know, sometimes you're going to read, sometimes you're going to get it wrong in here, and you know, but if you can catch these trades that do go well, you know, and you hold them until your target up here, you know, and you catch these trades here, and you hold them to your target, and this one you hold it to your target, you know, or even be a little bit braver and understand the bigger picture and hold it down to here. I think that was something like a 15R or something. So, you know, just goes to show with higher risk to reward, you can take these losses, you know, you take them on the chin. Don't beat yourself up about it. Don't go mad about it and start revenge trading, or, you know, throw your toys out the pram. You just stick to your plan and wait until price makes sense to you. And this long made sense after we took out this liquidity, because you think of how many buyers got, you know, everybody in positions here thinking that this is smart money getting in, because this was such an aggressive move. As price comes back, you know, they may get out of their orders and then go long again, but what happened is they all got taken out, and then price moved. You know, so yeah, this would have been a good, no it wouldn't, but we took out all of this up here, so, but I would say we're pretty bearish now, to be honest. Anyway, that's it from me. 30R backtesting session, bit of a long one, but it's worth doing, so I hope you stuck around to the end, and thank you very much. Goodbye.